So, what is it that truly makes a classic? It's more than just a machine. It's a living, breathing piece of art. These cars, they're the foundation, the very DNA of everything we drive today. They didn't just witness history, they shaped it. See, to restore a classic isn't just a job, it's an act of stewardship. There's a quiet honor in holding that heritage in your hands, because these vehicles, they carry stories. They are beauty in its purest form. Take the 64 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL, or my personal favorite, the 1938 Hudson Country Club Sedan, or even the sheer precision of the 92 Porsche 944. There's something remarkable about their presence. They aren't just built anymore, they're reborn. Restoration is the ultimate intersection of craft and obsession. It's metal made magic.